Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung A57, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will first want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and this will reveal the power button right here. Now, if you do have a divide between notifications and toggles, make sure you do it from the right side. And anyway, click on it, and from the options you want to hold power off. When you do so, it changes into into safe mode with a quick message. Tap again to restart your phone in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. And I'll click on it once more, and well, let's wait for the device to boot back up. Okay, so you can see we're now back in Android. We do have this safe watermark right here, safe mode, to let us know that we're in the desired mode. And while we're in this mode, a lot of the applications that are on Samsung will not work. So these, for the most part, are primarily default applications, and you can see there is a heap of them that will not work, including ones that you would expect to not be affected, like camera, clock, calendar, calculator, and notes, and so on. So any application that is kind of grayed out like this one, or not grayed out but like just dimmer compared to the other ones, will be the applications that will not work in this mode. And the applications that are affected by this are applications that have been not part of the default Android system. Now, reason why there is so many Samsung applications like clock, camera, and so on affected by this is because Samsung forces you to connect to network while you're going through the setup process, and while you do so, it then begins downloading these applications in the background while you're setting up your phone. Therefore, they are not part of the default apps that are part of Android system. They are ones that are downloaded afterwards. Now, the reason for applications being kind of turned off like so in this mode is if you ever create some kind of application, because let's say you're an app developer and that application is completely broken and prevents you from using the device correctly, you can boot it into safe mode, and from here you can troubleshoot it, can try to fix it or completely delete it or whatever, as this application cannot do anything in this mode. Now, when you're done troubleshooting your phone and you want to go back to the normal mode, swipe down from the top right side again, click on the power button once more, but this time around you're going to select Restart. Now, there's one last thing to keep in mind. When you boot back to the normal mode, when entering safe mode automatically enables airplane mode, which once you get back to the normal mode is still on. So to turn it off, just swipe down from the top right side again, and then click on the airplane icon right here. If it's not visible in this list, you can swipe down on it to extend the amount of visible icons. And on top of that, if you still can't see it, you can click on this pencil and then instead of clicking on edit, you're gonna do add a control down here and find it somewhere in this list. Once you find it, you just tap on it like so, and it gets added right here. You can move it to the actual icons right here, click on done, and you can see it will be present right here. So tap on it from there, and this will disable airplane mode. And airplane mode, it turns off things like your Wi-Fi, reception to mobile network or to any kind of cell towers, and turns off, I think, locations and some other things. So it's good to remember to turn it off. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.